Welcome to another Todd's
2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday.
Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the largest hands-on RV training academy in America. Hey, Todd Henson here with the National RV Training Academy, and want to go ahead and review another product. Got a good friend, Matt, over at Matt's RV Reviews, came out with a new product called Liquified. Now, here's the thing. He's got this product, and it states that it will actually liquefy your solids. Now, you know that I've already talked about another product that will liquefy solids. I've got another competition here. So what I'm going to do, he's a good friend of mine. What I'm going to do is go ahead and put it to the test. I'm going to do the same test we've done before. And that's where I'm going to put some dog food in here. Now, this one, I'm only going to do two tests. I'm going to do the liquefied, and then I'm going to do a control, which is just water. I'm going to give it some more time. I'm going to give it a day or so. And then from there, we'll see what it looks like. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to give it the kibble. Now, the reason why we do dog food is because, you know, it's kind of the closest thing to what we eat, depending on where we visit here in America. All right, so I've got the kibble in both. This is the liquefied. I'm going to go ahead and pour in just a smidgen of it here. I know that there's a little bit more than what is actually being said, but here's the thing, we'll just give it some time. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this one up to the line and get this one up. So we got the kibble in there. I'm going to go ahead and lock this up. What we're going to do is just let it sit. We're going to give it a day or so. We're going to come back. Now, the thing is with these, and I'll tell you all of these, they will go ahead and break stuff down, those that do, but it may not dissolve until it actually moves. So we're going to facilitate what it would be like for you to go ahead and flush, add new water into the tank when we come back from the test. So what we'll do now is we'll just quickly speed up to tomorrow. It is day 2 of the poo challenge, and I'm going to tell you, I have not shaken this stuff up. Again, what we're doing is we're just testing to see if the liquefied from Matt's RV Reviews, if it actually does what it says. Now, again, it is to break down solids. So what I did is I actually did the test. I gave it roughly 24 hours. I put just a little bit of a little more, a little less than, of course, the 2 ounces that goes in there, maybe less than 1 ounce. I put that in there with some dog food, and I also made another one, and this, of course, has the dog food with just water. Now, the dog food with just water, you will see that the dog food swells up, right? And that's going to be normal, right? But over here, we haven't shaken it up. And guys, I'm impressed. It actually broke it down. It actually did break it down. Now, you got to think, we got to facilitate the fact that you're going to be dumping your black tank. And so there's going to be a little bit of water movement. So even if we were to shake it up just a bit, here's the thing. It doesn't completely dissolve, but it breaks it down. So the solids are still there, but they're all broken down. And that's a lot better. And it doesn't, you know, the one thing we want to do is make sure we get those solids as small as possible. They travel out with, of course, the water that we have, and we have a much cleaner tank. So I will go ahead and say that this stuff actually works. The great thing about this is it actually has a pleasant scent. It's kind of an orange smell or citrus. I don't know, but it smells really good. It does smell. So there you go. This stuff does work. You can go over to liquifiedrv.com and purchase that there. So there's your tech tip. All right, before you get to the bloopers, which is why you're here in the first place, the RV industry needs thousands of RV technicians and inspectors, and now is the perfect time to do that. If you want to make more money or have more control over your time, go ahead and click the link below. Or if you just want to learn how to fix your own RV, got something for you there. Head over to rvtechcourse.com and get started today.
Now for the reason that you're out there in the video, roll the bloopers.
Figure that one out. All right, there we go. Now I will tell you, hey, you just brought an odor with you. Just letting you know. That was all you.
Never mind.
Wait a minute. This doesn't work well.
So if it is something you're interested in, liquified.com. Is that right? Liquified RV, all right?
Ready.
All right, it's day 2 of the poo challenge.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh!
That was pretty shitty. All right.
That was pretty shitty.